Hello students, welcome again RDPS interactive classes. Today we are going to discuss class 7 chapter 3 history, the Delhi Sultans. In previous chapter we had already discussed about the area such as Kaveri Delta became the center of our big kingdoms. So now we are moved to the next chapter of this class, chapter 3, the Delhi Sultans. Delhi Sultans. So Delhi first became the capital of kingdom under the Tomra Rajputs, Angapala, and Tomras were defeated by Chauhans of Ajmer. And the Chauhans who ruled over the region around the Ajmer, so these Chauhans also known as a Chahamahana, and the best known Chauhan ruler was Prithviraj III, who defeated an Afghan ruler called Sultan Muhammad Ghori in 1191 but lost to him the very next year in 1192. So under the Tomras and Chauhans, the Delhi became an important commercial center or the trading center that one is used for as a business purposes. So during that time, Dana merchant lived these cities and they built many temples. Coins were known as a Dehliwal. The transformation of Delhi into the capital that regulates a huge areas of the subcontinent began with the foundations of Delhi Sultanate in the starting of 13th centuries. So during the time of 13th centuries, Delhi was transformed under Delhi Sultanates, established after the defeat of Prithviraj Chauhan III in 1192. So there were major 5 dynasties that together made the Delhi Sultanate. Dynasties means when the ruler became the same families one after another, and the family is often called the dynasties. So these dynasties are early Turkish rulers or Mamluk Slav dynasties, Khilji dynasties, Tughlaq dynasties, Sayyid dynasties and Lodi dynasties. So these 5 dynasties that together made the Delhi Sultanates. So look at this map. This is a map of Sultanate cities of Delhi during the time of 13th and 14th centuries. So during this time, the Delhi Sultans made many cities in the regions that we now know as Delhi. These cities are Delhi-e-Kuna, Jahanpana and Siri. Look at this table. This is a table of rulers of Delhi or the major 5 dynasties that together composed the Delhi Sultanate. First one is a Rajput dynasties, that is a native dynasties, or these are known as a native rulers. So under the Rajput dynasties, Tomras, Angapalas, Chauhans and Prithviraj Chauhan. So after Rajput dynasties, first dynasties under the Delhi Sultanate is early Turkish rulers. They ruled over there between the 1206 to 1290. First ruler is Qutbuddin Aibak, Shamsuddin Iltutmish, Razia and Ghiyasuddin Balban. And after the Turkish rulers, the next dynasty is the Khalji dynasties. They ruled over there 1290 to 1320. So under these dynasties, the rulers are Jalaluddin Khalji and Alaluddin Khilji. And after the Khilji dynasties, the next dynasty is the Tughlaq dynasties. It's ruled over there 1320 to 1414. The rulers of Tughlaq dynasties are Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And after Tughlaq dynasties, the next dynasty is a Sayyid dynasties. The rulers of these dynasties are Khizr Khan. They ruled over there 1414 to 1451. And then after last dynasty is a Lodi dynasties. They ruled over there 1451 to 1526, and the rulers of the Lodi dynasties is Bahalul Lodi. So the early Turkish rulers, Khalji dynasties, Tughlaq dynasties, Sayyid dynasties and Lodi dynasties. These 5 dynasties together make the Delhi Sultanate. In next class we will discuss about the finding out about the Delhi Sultans. Thank you.